Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the 80mm Avanti S version 2 by FREEWING. Sent to me, I bought it from Motion RC. All right. Get her turned around here. Got the FREEWING brand afterburner in her. I've got a 5300 SMC high voltage pack, and I'm running the GNSS performance analyzer right now. All right, get her turned around here. Timer set for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Here we go. You have to remember, gear do take a little bit of time to go up and down. My mid rates, which are 80% over 30% expo. I'm going to take her up, flip her. Use a little bit of right aileron. Small corrections with a jet. Small corrections. All right.
Gear down.
Yeah, small corrections. Nope, sorry, I was in my high rates. That's why I thought she seemed awfully touchy.
Landing flaps. Braking. Time 3 minutes. Brakes off.
All right. All right, we're going to do something now. We're going to do what I said we were going to do. We're going to do grass stops. I'm going to show you, watch how that gear, how it reacts. Okay, on that grass. That's real thick grass. You see the wheels are disappearing. All right, we're going to get turned around here.
Take off flaps.
Take off flaps. We'll get on the edge of the runway. All right, and here we go.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Yeah, I thought she seemed touchy. I had her in high rates. That's mid rates. 80% over 30% expo. 3/4 throttle. Take her up. Full throttle.
Remaining 2 minutes. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Man, what a great flying jet. I'm gonna bring her by low and slow. All the stuff down, come by dirty. Boy, them lights are a big help right now.
Braking.
Oh, I was gonna land the grass, wasn't I?
Brakes off.
Well, gotta turn around. I forgot to land in the grass. Well, we got one more in her, so we're gonna come back and land in the grass. All right, we'll take off on the runway though. Got takeoff flaps in.
Landing flaps.
Gonna leave my flat landing flaps and gear down. So I'm gonna roll a little bit. Keep my wings level. Keep my wings level. There you go.
Flaps up. 30 seconds.
All right, real quick, we're going to take one real quick up and down.
20 seconds. Landing flaps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Braking. Brakes off.
All right, now just showing off then. All right,
Motor off.
let's see how fast we were going. I actually got it in my pocket. There was 5 seconds left on a 4-minute and 10-second timer. Shoot. Dang it. Well, folks, I'm not going to be able to tell you. I had it in my pocket, and I opened it up, and YouTube was running, so the app shut down. So, I don't know how fast I was going. This is why I leave it on the... Everybody said, why do you put stuff out you don't leave in your pocket? So I started leaving my pocket. Well, that's why, right there. Oh, well, enough of that. Look at that afterburner. Here, that'll compensate for that. Look at that afterburner. There. There, she lights up. Duh. All right. Now that little black, that's not coming with, that's just a little mod I did so I can pick up this little zip tie I ran through there. Okay, shoot, I wish I would have known how fast I was going. Oh well. At least, wait, I'd say at least 120. 27%, so certainly can't go up again. To show you where I've got everything, I've got, that's the 5300 SMC. Basically all the way to the very front of the wood tray there. That little blinking light, that's the satellite receiver. That's the main receiver. 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2. Got antenna going back here, going down and out. One going down and forward, or yeah, down and forward. So I got 2 at 90 degrees. I was fine on the first one. Just one day up there, it did an aileron turn, or it dipped on the aileron that I wasn't expecting it to do, and I thought, well, maybe it was a signal problem, but I couldn't prove it. But so I just spent 22 bucks. And by the way, if you buy this little satellite receiver, don't buy the extension that comes with one. I bought an extension not thinking about it, and I got so it's only $1.22, but still, I don't need it. So anyways, well, there you go, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That is the FREEWING Avanti S version 2. Great flying sport jet. Have no idea how fast I was going because I didn't have my app running. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, and the Avanti S's. Bye-bye.